Good morning, children. Now let us take moral science, page number 26. My dear children, we have been continuously studying about punctuality, and so punctuality plays very vital role in our life every day. So we need to be always punctual. Whatever we do, we may be doing our schoolwork or our housework or homework or whatever it could be, we need to be punctual. Or suppose we want to go anywhere and we have to catch a train, we need to be punctual enough. We need to reach the railway station before time or before arriving the train so that we will not be late. Similarly, now my dear children, today we are going to study about these two great personality who lived their punctual life. Now see here Gandhiji, an example of punctuality, and this Amitabh Bachchan, or we call him Big B. These two personalities were very punctual, especially Gandhiji was very punctual. Here Amitabh Bachchan is still alive. He is very punctual person. Whatever he does according to time. So now first let us study this first personality, Gandhiji, an example of punctuality. So please take page number 26. Page number 26. Gandhiji, an example of punctuality. Now let us read the story. Deshbandhu Das was in Darjeeling and was unwell. Gandhiji went there to inquire after his health. On his return journey, he had to catch the Dhaka mail to attend a function at Nawabganj. But it had so happened on the way that some part of the rock had collapsed on the railway track. This created such a situation that Gandhiji might miss the Dhaka mail, but not to reach on time was not something Gandhiji could ever afford. One colleague then suggested going by a special train. Gandhiji immediately welcomed it, saying, "Just as I am strict in following my timings meticulously with the Viceroy, in the same strict manner, I should be punctual in keeping the time given to the people." The special train fare of rupees 1140 had to be paid, but he remained present at that particular function on time amongst his countrymen. So, my dear children, this is the story about Gandhiji. How he was, one time he was in Darjeeling and then he had gone to meet his friend Deshbandhu Das, who was suffering from illness. He was not keeping well. And then he had to come after getting the message. He started his journey towards Darjeeling. And then he met him. And on the very day, he had to go and attend a big program at Nawabganj. So, after meeting his friend, and then he had to go and attend the program. So what he had to do, he cannot take the train Dhaka mail, because if he by the time he reaches, the train would have been left. So because there was a lot of problem on the way, so there was landslide, either rocks had fallen on the road. So obviously he had to face problem. He would not have reached on proper time, and therefore Gandhiji what he did, Keeping in mind the point punctuality, he had to take a special train which costs and also which cost more, or in other words, that special train had more train fare. See, 1140 rupees. Still not thinking about money and only thinking about his time, he reached there at Nawabganj and he participated in the big program. You see, my dear children, see how Gandhiji in his life followed punctuality. He did not think that, okay, if I miss that particular train, that Dhaka mill, I will cancel my program. He did not think like that. Instead, he kept the thought of people, or he thought for the people, and then he took a special train in which he had to pay more fare, but still he paid it and he reached on time for that particular function, and he stayed among the people or among the countrymen. My dear children, this is punctuality. Not thinking about himself, but he thought about the people, and therefore he, without thinking his own life, without thinking about the expense, he had to take a special train and he reached Nawabganj and he participated in the function. People felt very happy because at that time or then Gandhiji was leading the nation. So, my dear children, we have to be very, very punctual. We have to learn something from from Gandhiji. This particular boy called Sunil, we read the story. He also learned from Miss Mary a lot of things about punctuality. He corrected his life. Similarly, we have to learn many things from Gandhiji also. Now, the second personality is Amitabh Bachchan. So he is still alive. So he is Amitabh Bachchan. He is there now. Still, he follows his own timetable. See, Amitabh Bachchan. Now let us read. Amitabh Bachchan is so punctual and dedicated to his work that many a times he turned up before the watchman or gatekeeper and opened the gates of Filmstan studios himself. So he opened the gates of Filmstan studios himself. My dear children, what this particular Amitabh Bachchan did? See, he used to get up before the watchman and the gatekeeper. He did not care for them. He himself got up and he himself opened the gate. And then he went inside the studio where they used to make film and so on. So he went over there. Even sometimes this watchman and gatekeeper did not notice also when this Amitabh Bachchan has got from sleep, and then when he has come to the studio, they didn't even notice him. How punctual this particular person is. Now still he is alive. He is very, very punctual. He keeps his own timetable. He maintains his own diary. Wherever any appointment is there, he writes down, and then accordingly he does his work. My dear children, this particular person, Amitabh Bachchan, will be ever remembered, always remembered, and even Gandhiji is always remembered because he was also very, very punctual. And Amitabh Bachchan is also a very punctual person. We need to learn many things from their lives. My dear children, I will continue my next class. It's enough today. Thank you very much for attending my class.